everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Param, a professional makeup artist, and I am back with a very basic video this time. Whenever we apply makeup, one of the most important steps is the skin care. A good cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine can help you in terms of easy makeup application and also keeping the makeup long lasting. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing my steps that I follow to prepare my skin before I apply my makeup. So let's not waste any further time and jump right into it. After tying my hair away from my face, I use a makeup remover to remove any traces of existing makeup that I already have, and I am using the Garnier Micellar Water. Next, I use a face wash to wash my face, and I am using the Requil Oil Control Face Wash. You can use a face wash as per your skin type. After I am done with washing my face, I use a toner, and I am using the Param Revitalizing Tonic Mist. Apply a generous amount and leave it onto your skin for a few minutes so that the skin can absorb it. After the toner is absorbed into the skin, I move on to the moisturizer. In summers, I use a moisturizing lotion, and when the weather is a little cold, I prefer a moisturizing cream. And I am going to be using the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. I like using this cream because it is fragrance free and it also doesn't break me out. Gently massage it into the skin. Do not forget the neck and ears. The next step is to apply an under eye cream, and I use the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. Gently massaging it with my ring finger without applying any pressure. Now for the last step, that is lip care, and I'm going to be using a lip balm from Bobbi Brown. So those are the steps that I follow to prepare my skin before I start my makeup. Let me know how you found this video useful. Please like and share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. Do let me know if you would want me to do more such videos in the future. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.